George Washington Carver by Erica Scheimer. George Washington Carver overcame the barriers of slavery and racism of his childhood to become world-renowned as a distinguished artist, scientist, and teacher. Carver was born a slave on a large plantation in Missouri, where he lived an orphan until being put in the custody of a white man. This man, Moses Carver, did not force Carver to go to school. That was his own decision. He was responsible for his own learning and faithfully walked 9 miles to and from school for several years. From an early age, Carver expressed a love for learning and a love for plants, both of which would take him to Iowa State University. It was a long, tough road for Carver to make it to Iowa State, but along the way he showed great determination to make a better life for himself and to pursue the career that he truly loved. Carver soon transferred to Tuskegee Institute, where he would graduate with a bachelor's degree in agricultural science in 1894 and a Master of Science degree in 1896. It was very unusual for an African American to complete such high degrees at this time, but Carver was not a usual man. He had personal motivation that led him to accomplish things he never imagined. At Tuskegee, Carver distinguished himself so greatly that he was offered a position on the school faculty, the first African American ever to receive the honor. While working at Tuskegee, Carver was allowed great freedom working in the university's laboratories and greenhouses, where he developed his famous crop rotation method and over 300 new products from peanuts, sweet potatoes, and pecans. Carver's use of innovative agricultural methods and scientific research to produce everyday products for consumers forever changed the industry of farm economy in the United States. He also served as a valuable role model to African Americans and an example of the importance of hard work, a positive attitude, and a good education. One of his most important roles was that the fame of his achievements and many talents undermined the widespread stereotype of the time that the black race was intellectually inferior to the white race. If Carver had not begun his life as a motivated, ready-to-learn boy, he would have never gone on to be such an amazing inventor and scientist. Because Carver had to work hard from the time he was a child, he developed into a man who devoted his life to helping other African American students and giving them the opportunity to get a better education. Carver went on to receive the Spring Arm Medal from the National Association for the Advancement of Colored People, elected a Fellow of the Royal Society of Arts, awarded the Theodore Roosevelt Medal for distinguished research in agricultural chemistry, Man of the Year in 1940 by the International Federation of Architects, Engineers, Chemists, and Technicians, received honorary Doctor of Science degrees from Simpson College and the University of Rochester, inducted into the National Inventors Hall of Fame, and in 1946, January 5th, was made George Washington Carver Day. The United States had never seen anything like this from an African American.